The 2018 Wildcat 35WB fifth wheel lets you travel on your own terms. This RV features a wide-body design with an aerodynamic custom-painted front cap. It has an extended pin box and is designed specifically for an optimal turning radius. The 35WB also has a 15-foot one-touch adjustable awning with LED lighting, 2 marine-grade speakers, and has electric front landing gear and rear stabilizer jacks. It also has an exterior docking station. The Wildcat 35WB features a unique dining setup with combined bench and freestanding chair seating. The executive chef kitchen comes standard with an 8 cubic foot refrigerator with a larger unit available. There's also hardwood glazed maple cabinetry, solid surface countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Your rear living area of this Wildcat comes standard with a theater sofa with cup holders. It also includes a recliner with an end table, an entertainment center with a lifted 50-inch TV and fireplace. It also has a decorative surround and a hide-a-bed love seat. The Wildcat 35WB's full bathroom highlights a glass door walk-in shower with a seat and skylight overhead, linen cupboards, garment hooks, a vanity sink, mirrored medicine cabinet, and a residential foot flush toilet. Finally, your master bedroom is located in the front of the 35WB, with a queen-sized bed, a residential closet with hardwood mirrored doors and shoe storage inside, washer-dryer prep, and TV prep over the dresser. RV shopping has never been easier than on Gillette's InterstateRV.com. Gillette's knowledgeable experts are only a click or phone call away at 517-721-7513. So stop by Gillette's Interstate RV, shop online, or give us a call today.